Hello everyone, my name is Tanaji Patil and in this video we'll see the basic structure of Moodle. So the front page, this is the initial page seen by someone reaching a Moodle site, maybe after or before login. Typically student will see the courses, some blocks of information displayed in that particular theme, the navigation bars, and this is called as the home page of your site. This front page is highly customizable. You can go on adding different kind of blocks. Announcements can be available there, and for security reason, if it is locked, the users can only see the login screen. So whenever we type the URL of our Moodle site, this is the page presented to the user. Next one is the courses and users. The Moodle structure is organized around the courses. So course is the core component in the Moodle site. This is the space for learning the resources and doing activities. Courses are designed by the teachers, but teachers cannot create the course. Courses has to be created by administrators, by the managers, or by the course creators. Courses have sections and they are called as topics. Resources will be provided to the students for reference purpose. Activities, graded or non-graded activities can be added where students participates, and additional blocks can be made available to the students. Now we may have multiple courses, and these courses are organized in the course category. So courses are coming under the course category. Advantage of doing so is, for example, if we have undergraduate students and say semester number 4, then if there are 5 or 6 courses, if we enroll the students to the course category, all the courses will be available. So administration of that enrollment become very simple, and even it is very much possible to enable or disable courses in a bunch if they are organized in course category. So we may have multiple course categories. Next important aspect is the user, and in Moodle users are everyone who logs into our site. While creating users, we don't create teachers or don't create student. Okay, user is user. Now what that user will do will be decided by the enrollments that we'll see soon. Now we have multiple users, and these users can be grouped together in a cohort for the management. Managing the users, like for example, enrolling set of users to the particular course, and for that there is separate enrollment plugin called as cohort sync. Cohorts can be system wide or they may be category wide, where it consists of collection of users. Advantage, as I mentioned, for the cohort is if we can have cohort, then users can be easily enrolled in a course or a series of course in case of course category in a single action. Now, as I mentioned, users, there is no such thing like teacher or student at a site level. We need to map these users to different parts of our Moodle site, and this mapping is called as the enrollments. So this is the linkage between the users and courses. Before this, courses are separate, users are separate. Now we need to create link between course and the user, and that is possible through enrollment. And this enrollment can be done by administrator, by course creator, by manager, even teachers can do that. Important thing is at which part of our site we enroll, and that is called as a context. So context is the space in the Moodle where we assign the users. Different contexts are maybe at a system level, maybe at a front page level. Course category is also context, course is context, even a single activity within a course could be also the context, activity or block. So the scope is broader or highest rather I can say at a system level or at the site level, then reduced somewhat. Anyways, front page is also treated as a single site course. Course category, as I mentioned, holds multiple courses. So at a course category level also, we map the users. So these are different contexts: the system, the front page, the course category, the course, and activity and block. Now, what are the privileges assigned to the user? And they are known as roles. Different roles supported by Moodle, and these roles are the site administrators who can do anything, everything on the site. Managers are there, which is a lesser administrator role. For security reason, usually admin user is not mostly used for the management. So the lesser administrator role, that is manager, is used. It is something like we never log in with root in operating system. We log in with ordinary user, and whenever you want to do some sort of administration task, we make use of sudo, or temporarily we log in with the super user. Admin and manager roles may be defined at the site level. Now course creator can create the courses, and this role is typically assigned at a context of course category. Under that category, she can create the courses. Next, which is the important role, is teacher, who can manage and add content to the course. So designing the course is the responsibility of the teacher, where teacher adds resources for the student and activities for the students. Next one is non-editing teacher. To assist the teacher, this role is created, and non-editing teacher can grade the activities mentioned in that course, but they cannot edit. Then the student who can access the resources mentioned by the or presented by the teacher, and they can participate in the course, they can participate in the activities. Even lesser privileged role is also available there, called as guest, who can just view the courses but they cannot participate. So the overall structure is very simple. We have the courses, we have the users, Users are mapped to the courses through enrollments at different context with different set of privileges, and those are roles. Thank you.